Hi friends, thanks for coming by to watch the BrushFalls Studios YouTube channel. Of course, we're painting. I'm Larry. We're going to have some fun today. I'm going to layer a cup right here, put it on this black canvas, and I'll put the colors about over here, and then we'll get started. Here's our mixed cup. There we are. So I'm going to put this on here. I'm going to then stretch it out. Let's see what we come up with. Well, friends, we have a really neat painting. It's got some muted cells to it, but it's got some really neat lacing, especially through here and a little bit more through here. And with the color palette we picked here, there was a lot of colors that kind of harmonized together, which is why the results came out like this. This is another one that'll be very fun to see when it's dry. So with that, I'm going to bid you adieu. Remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you like this thing here, and check out our Etsy page. I'll have a link to it in a box somewhere. Thanks. Bye.